Howdy, y'all. It's Off Log Stuff. We on the farm. As you can see from the sky, no buildings around. It's very peaceful out here. Oh, there's Grandpa. Grandpa with the gas, so we can go on the four-wheeler. How you doing, Katie?
Good.
You enjoying the straw I provided from the family? Hudson?
Muy bien. No, es delicioso.
Cowboy.
Delicioso.
I was just catching y'all up. It's been a hot minute.
What?
Not much else going on right now. I'll let you just enjoy the peaceful scenery. Hope you guys like it. Here you go. There's the moon right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Hope you can see it, because I can't see the view right now. There's the sun. Oh, there's the sun right there.
A star right there.
Got any more words for the camera? Hudson, I know you like them good fashion talkings. I think this is a show. Yep. Talk to the camera now. We only got a minute.
Oh no, but this straw, very tasty.
Very tasty. They call it scrumptious where I come from. Back on the house, they made pancakes this morning and
Bacon day.
Oh, you right? It's National Bacon Day. We found that out at an antique store today. We also went to the market, whatever they call it now. I don't know. Back at hometown, it's called the supermarket. But I don't know. These big towns, like these places on the farm, you know what I'm saying, guys? Yeah, y'all do. Hudson, what are you eating over there, man?
Straw.
Is it
Straw.
good?
Uh-huh.
Now, y'all, I think that I'll catch you on the y'all side, y'all. So, you want to end this one, y'all? Or you want me to end it, y'all? Alright. Howdy. I'll catch you on the flip side, partner. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content from J&H Vlogs stuff.
And let go of the sad. It's the only thing that we're hanging on to. Let go of the sad. And try to believe. We're moving on.